My name is Valentina and we are at La Puglia. La Puglia started with a chat within friends. We just immediately thought that it was a nice idea to bring a piece of our tradition and history here.
I'm Taylor Gila with Southern California Edison, and today we're at La Puglia restaurant in Santa Monica, where just a couple of years ago we helped the owner go almost fully electric with her appliances, and today we're here to find out how she's doing. Let's go check it out. Tell us a little bit about the decision that you made to go electric.
I like it a lot. I really wanted a safe environment where the chances to get burned were less than in a regular restaurant. I wanted my staff to enjoy cooking where there is less heat, and they really care about the cleanliness of the kitchen. I know there are some chefs that don't like the idea of an induction, but I can promise them that it's life-changing. Preparing here Alessia, which is artichokes, black olives, onion, and gorgonzola cream cheese is being prepared on the other pan over there. On this side we are making instead a Teresa pasta. Teresa is a cavatelli pasta, fresh pasta, with mussels, clams, and roasted cherry tomatoes are coming to the pan in a second. And the other thing is you can touch also here now. We are cooking over here, and you see
it's not hot at all. It's like a little warm, but it's not like a flame where you burn your hands.
It's absolutely safe for you.
All right, this is my favorite part. Now we get to taste test all of my hard work. I put in very little work for this, but I'm still excited. Okay. This is the seafood. I don't want to let you guys see me chew with my mouth open, but we can't have, an Italian meal without Italian dessert. So tell us a little bit about the gelato selection you have.
All the gelatos flavors we have are the ones that you cannot miss when you're in Italy. The beauty of Italian gelato is that they're very straightforward. When they say there's going to be hazelnut, you taste the hazelnut.
All right, another taste test. I feel like all I've been doing for you guys is eating. When she says it literally tastes like hazelnut. That's the flavor, and I love hazelnut. All right, well, I'm just gonna finish this.